Hey guys, and welcome to another video with Pandora the Panda 12, 2, whatever. Hi. And Animal Jam changed the password. She can't log into her actual account. This is her at the moment. Oops. Anyway. Yeah. So yeah. Why were we recording again? You just asked to record. Why were we recording? I don't know.
Randomness.
So yeah.
Okay.
So
berries.
oh my god, my berries. So yeah.
Oh, okay, I know that.
So yeah, I might ask Clark on Instagram what's happened with your account. He's usually helpful. I don't know, but usually helpful. Sometimes
yeah,
not.
go subscribe to her channel.
Yes, I have 12 subscribers. I just hit the 10 not 12 subscribers. I just hit 10 subscribers. I'm so happy.
Happy. Why can I say happy?
So happy.
Happy.
Animal Jam spell corrections are annoying.
Happy. I can say happy.
Happy. So yeah. I should probably tell Clark about that because it's so annoying that you can't get back on your account. I mean, that is your YouTube name. It's very annoying.
There was like.
It's like XX Smile.
There was like random people that they're saying that they're lilac and then they're slushy.
Yeah. I have so many people. What I'm gonna try and do with all my buddies, I'm just gonna block all of them, and all of them that come to me and try to talk to me, I'm gonna unblock. And then after a week, all of the people that are still blocked, I'm gonna delete, so then I know who my real friends are. Because I have too many friends. Too many buddies.
I have another account, I think.
I have 69. So yeah.
Wait, let me go to my other one. I think I'm friend with you in the other one.
Yeah, I think.
Please
I don't know.
Please don't log. Okay. Good. I thought I was gonna log up for a second because I'm gonna log into the other one.
Yeah. I'm just gonna.
All my rares are like in my
Pandora account. Yeah. So annoying. Please, no, please,
I
no.
should have free chat in here. Like, I can say Pandora the Panda.
I wish you could say numbers with free chat. I think that's the most annoying thing about not having free chat, that you can't say the actual numbers.
Yeah. That's what I can do. Pandora the Panda.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. It is really annoying though.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to wait. Is your den unlocked?
1 sec.
You unlocked it for a second?
Yeah, I've locked it. Oops. I need to turn on buddy requests on as well. I turned it off because too many random people were sending me buddy requests. Okay.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm in my other one.
There we
Now
go.
look your den. Hi, twin. This is my twin.
Hello.
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 Hello, bunny party. Bunny. Bunnies. I really want the friendship necklace. One of the halves of the friendship necklace. Wait, you have one? Do you have one? I don't know. Anyway, I can't see. Anyway, so because I just had this idea one day So if any of my IRL friends played Animal Jam, we'd just all have like friendship necklaces. So yeah, in our main looks.
What is that?
Friendship necklaces. They were at the friendship part. They were sold on Valentine's Day.
Oh, okay. I think I have that, but
I don't know if I have any. I don't have it. Well, I don't. No, I don't. I don't know. Yeah, and yeah, I'm still recording. Me too. I should probably stop. It's getting to 5 minutes, and my YouTube hates me. So.
See, I can't even say 5.
I know. It's like.
I have to say like 5. 5. 5. Or like if I can, or like I need to say 8. 8.
How'd you say 6? Is written on free chat.
Sis. Sis. I'm gonna be a member soon.
Yay!
I hope so. Cause yeah, I'm gonna be a member.
How'd you say 9? How'd you say 9?
Ninja. I can't say.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ninja tent.
Sis. Like it's like six.
Animals and magic.
You can't say the animal like the glitch chat.
What was the glitch chat?
It's like the constructor or something. Constructor. Can't say anymore. It's supposed to be says what's it called? And like jamagram. Can't say anymore. Wait, try doing space jam. Jamagram. Space jam. What's that?
Jamagramma.
Yeah, I have to say jam.
Jamagramma. Oh my god, Hoppy's on. Hello, Hoppy.
I think I still have, wait. Rock the house. Rock the house. 10. She's a YouTuber. Type her on YouTube.
I'm just telling this person that sent me my blue long yesterday that I think it was her that sent me the blue long. But yeah, she sent me a blue long yesterday. So yeah, and I already have my purple long and my pink shirt.
If I'm a member, and I guess Spike, I'll give it to you for free.
Oh, thank ya.
Yeah.
Thank ya. I don't even use my blue long anyway. I only ever use my purple long and my pink long. The only look that I used it in was my second Arctic Wolf look, which is now destroyed, sadly. Oh well. Oh no, don't do this. Close up on my old berry moon. Okay. I'm gonna stop the video now.
Yeah, me too.
Bye.